build some stuff today.
I like coffee mitten.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys, we got some cold weather here. It's about -30 with this wind chill, but we still got stuff to do. We are going to convert or move this door from it swinging in to swinging out, just so we have more room to work inside. We're also going to throw a couple latches on it, make it a little more predator proof. We've had some, I think some coyotes around, and I think we saw a weasel the other day too. So what we got? Did you guys give sunflowers to the chickens?
I did.
You did, yeah. Okay. Is this the scooper?
Yeah. Oh. Sitting in. But I think it was. I think he went good. Alright, I'm gonna do. I have enough.
Yeah, we got some new food for you guys. There you go. How's everyone doing? Oh, did you guys give them sunflower treats? So we gotta check this door. Just grab it, buddy. I need your. Thank you. Okay. All right, Davey. Gonna take this off. I grabbed the wrong one. I take the door off. Okay. Bring it out here. All right, Vio, come with me. All right, Katie. I'm gonna take these hinges off. We're gonna need a 2x4. 2x4 for right here. Okay?
2x4.
So we need one that's from all the way to Daddy's shoulders.
2x4.
Okay, let's go find one. Mommy, we need a 2x4.
2x4.
Where are they?
If you can grab one from the back of that trailer, that's like from like all the way up to your shoulders type thing. There we go.
Okay, do you want me to unscrew this one?
And then we can put the hinges to that, and I think it might work. There. Watch out, please. And then we can put the door like this. Okay.
Alright, now we just need to put that little latchy thing.
Well, you know what, if you can find one of those, remember those yellow hooks that we used for the chicken tractor
Yeah.
in the front yard? If we can find one of those, we put it on here, and then when we open it, we can hook it so it stays open. You know what I mean? Like a bungee cord. So
You mean the big yellow?
yeah. See, this is better because then we can. Now we got more room inside. You can lock it. Open. We've got this hook on here so we can, whoa, sorry chicken. And I find a way to bungee cord this to keep it open, but I'm happy with that. See, before the door would swing open like this, so now we can set up some benches here, or some tables for growing. Got more room to work in here. Okay, that's good. Next project. That's frozen. Let's see if we can. We gotta find a way to protect this. Maybe we'll build a little shelter for this. We have a heated water dish, but they should still be protected from the wind. With it being so windy right now, it's still freezing. So I'm gonna see if we can find something. Hey, Mommy, we need to find something to protect this water with, because it's the wind chill is freezing it. What about that little triangle thing over by the boys' fort?
Yep.
Do you need help with it?
Yeah, I might.
We're also trying to figure out our water. We are getting very low, but we have a full well over here. So I've been putting it off, but we're gonna need to do something. You can grab that in.
Good water. Oh, we're okay.
Did we gain any?
Yeah, we did. Well, this is good, hun. This isn't bad.
I know, but
it's not optimal.
it's like, watch. Open it. So if you do that.
What's your knot at? Is your knot every 10 feet?
No. So right here
Yes.
is the top of the water. So right about there. From that knot to my hand is how much water we have in our well. So that's about 6 feet of water, 4 feet across. Yeah. That's what I mean. It's not
Not as deep as I
like it's deep.
told.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think it's 40 feet.
It might. No, it's probably 25 feet from here. It's
That's
probably.
crazy.
Yeah. Okay. Well, whatever. I mean, if you keep slowly filling.
I know, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just that makes me nervous.
Yes.
Do we need this ladder here?
We don't need it here, but it's not a priority.
Oh, it's about to knock it over, babe. You just gotta move the block over a bit, that's all.
Block's frozen.
Oh, okay.
Well, that should serve as a little bit of protection from the wind. At least they can come out and get their water and have something, some kind of shelter. So I think we're good with chickens today. The door's done, that's done. Children are getting cold. We got some frostbite.
I go to his cheek, it's not good.
Can you see tape?
I think he had his face on the middle.